So far we have done kinds of nouns, common, proper, collective. Now we go into material nouns. Now what is material noun? Now a material noun is the name of a matter, a substance from which you can make something. Now wood, from wood you can make furniture, so that's a material noun. Water, that's a you use for drinking, cooking, bathing. Water, you call it material noun. Gold, you can make chain, bracelet, earring, whatever. It's a material noun. Iron, out of iron, what can you make? Whole lot of things you can make. Stones, you can build houses. You can build whole lot of things. Silver, woolen, with wool you make clothes, you can make blanket, shawl, etc. Then cotton, silk, cotton, woolen, silver, gold, plastic, stones, wood, all these are material. From the material you can make something. So we call that material nouns. So we are going to do now material nouns. Material nouns. What is material noun? A material noun is the name of a matter or substance from which things are made. Iron, you can make a lot of things. Wood, you can make furniture, like that. Now, I'll put up few sentences for you. I will write down. From there, you can identify. Grammar is practice. You say collective noun. My goodness. Material noun. It's very simple. All you need to read, identify, recognize. Just practice. Practice will make you understand better what I'm trying to tell you. Now, silver. Silver coins were used in olden days. Now, silver is a noun and we call that a material noun. From silver you make silver coins. That's all. It's very simple. Gold. Gold is a precious metal. Gold, naturally, gold is a material noun. That's it. This cupboard, this cupboard is made of iron. Then you say iron is a material noun. That's it. She taught us. She taught us to make cane, baskets. Like you have cane chairs and all that. Cane. So, cane is a material noun. Water. Water is the basic need of life. Water. Again here, you have the water is the material noun. They threw stones. They threw stones at the dog. They threw stones at the dog. Now, stones, that's a material noun. We also use stones to build houses. This statue is made of wood. Is made of wood. So, wood is a material noun. Material noun is matter. With matter, you can make things. Stones, you can build house. Wood, you can make furniture. Gold and silver, ornaments, and you can make vessels. Water, all these are material nouns. Look at the sentences here. Material noun. Silver coins were used in olden days. Silver is a material noun. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is a material noun. This cupboard is made of iron. Iron is a material noun. She taught us to make cane basket. Cane is a material noun. Water is the basic need of life. Water is a material noun. They threw stones at the dog. Stones, material noun. The statue is made of wood. Wood is a material noun. So you have silver, gold, iron, cane, water, stones, wood. What is material noun? Material noun is the name of a matter or substance from which things are made. From silver you make silver. From gold you make gold ornaments. And from iron you make table, chairs, whatever you want. From cane you can make baskets and toys. Water is the basic thing you need to drink, you bathe, everything. Stones, you can build a lot of things with stones. Then wood, you can make a lot of furniture. So, material nouns are the name of a matter from which you can make something. So, in this sentence, you have silver. In the second sentence, you have gold, you have iron, you have cane, water, stone, wood. All these are material nouns. Only when we do exercises, sentences, identify, then you know, oh, I can understand what is material noun. I'll give you more exercise for you to understand. I'll give you one more short exercise. From the sentence, identify material nouns. Okay? Vessels were made of steel. The table, this table is made plastic. Ornaments were made of gold and silver. Gold and silver. Our clothes are made of cotton, silk, woolen, and woolen. this statue is made of iron. The stone pillar was broken. Water gushed out of the broken pipe. Okay, now let's look at all the sentences here. Material noun. We are going to identify material noun. The vessels were made of steel. Steel is a material noun. This table is made of plastic. Plastic is a material noun. Steel is a material noun. Ornaments are made of gold, silver. Gold and silver are material nouns. Our clothes are made of cotton, silk, woolen. They are all material nouns. Statue. This statue is made of iron. Iron is a material noun. The stone pillar was broken. Stone is a material noun. Water gushed out of the broken pipe. Water is a material noun. Now, what is a material noun? Material noun is the name of a matter or substance from which we can make something. From iron, we can make a lot of things. From steel, you can make things. Plastic, you can make all kinds of things. Gold and silver, you can make ornaments. Cotton, silk, wool, you can make clothes. Then stone, we can build houses. Water has various uses. So, material nouns very easy. Only thing we need to have practice. When you look at the sentence, very easy to identify. So far, I have done with you 4 kinds of nouns. We did common nouns, common to all, proper noun, special name. It's easy to identify because it all begins with capital letter. So, common and proper noun. Then we did collective noun. That's the group name for some things. And now we have done material noun.